Ko au taki mai e ola me he kau whaisivi, pe koe kau whamau he whiawhini. Pea te ukore heni ki a John Pulu kena kātaki i he a o mai pe e kau whine mui koe ni ke whunga Stacey. E toi whakaongo atu pe, ai kau whainolo ne osi whiri ki nau tolu me he whiauhi interview, pe he ki e whiauhi tau olunga. Pea e toki tāna ki atu ki ai ola o e whiawhini, kau ki ai Island Creation, pe he ki he Sarong, pe koe te unga kau tahi, pe a tātuku aki ai whiauhi tareniti. Whamalo ki he hau e ki moi kāinga katoa pe, ko ke mea pe heni ke whakakato ai whiawhi koni Miss Heilala 2016 is about to get a little bit closer to the crown.
And I'm going to read out the first judging event. Now, this is the pre-pageant interview, and in no particular order, the top 5. They are Miss Bowles Fashion, Miss 5-Star Finance, Miss Tonga China, Miss Lady Maria, and Miss Lomaile Lodge. Ladies and gentlemen, the second judging event, this was the Tau'olunga competition, and in no particular order, the top 5. Miss Praxis New Zealand, Anna Falala. Miss 5-Star Finance, Ofa Hui. Miss Havelu Rugby, Polonia. Miss Lomaile Lodge, Laura Lauti. And the last one, Miss Bowles Fashion, Vika Toetu'u. Mo paspas mai ka ginautol.
E te eki ai ke whamau patu ai maka kon kua o mai me kau whamau. Tuku ai lewa ke o atmu aha, whamalo to honga ki e ongo. Ongo tangata koe ni okna, whai whatongia. E te ongo tawake Stacey, the two cameramen, while you were sitting for several hours, they were standing all night long. And you're standing way too close. But anyway, we're going to give you our results for the Contemporary Island Creation. Top 5 in no particular order. Hei kai ke lawa tueni wheka o whatatau ki he ngahi maka ko oange kau whaisivi. E toki mahino pe a pongpongi a hono whakahoko ko ia. Kako e whiawhini, te mau o atu pe ai top 5 i a Contemporary Island Creation.
And they are Miss Laura Melaya Lauti.
Miss Lomaile Lodge. Please step forward.
The next person, Miss Michelle Motuliki.
Miss Tourism Tonga, our second finalist for Contemporary Island Creation.
Miss Vika Toetu'u.
Miss Bowles Fashion. 3 of the 5 finalists for Island Creation.
Number 4, Miss Anna Filiunga Falala.
Miss Praxis Immigration New Zealand is finalist number 4.
Number 5, Miss Ofa Hui.
Miss 5-Star Finance Company Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the top 5 finalists in the 3rd judged category of Contemporary Island Creation.
The next category, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, ladies. You can step back. Can we give them another round of applause, please? They didn't have enough of a moment to celebrate Island Creation.
Now, the next category is the sarong wear. The sarong wear, in no particular order. Number 1, Miss Anna Faleunga.
Whamalunga Siulatai Feleunga Falala. She is Miss Praxis New Zealand Immigration.
And number 2, Miss Laura Renee Lauti.
Miss Lomaile Lodge.
Number 3, Miss Josefina Manu Leja.
Miss Tongatapu, the 3rd finalist in the Sarong division.
Number 4, Miss Ofa Hui.
Miss 5-Star Finance Company Limited.
And number 5, Miss Vika Toetu'u.
Miss Bowles Fashion. These are the top 5 finalists in the Sarong competition. And there's still a chance to win Miss Popularity if you know what I'm talking about. text TCC. The last category.
Thank you, ladies. The last category, ladies and gentlemen, is the talent category, and in no particular order. Number 1, Miss Vika Toetu'u.
Miss Bowles Fashion. Finalist number 1.
Number 2, Miss Polonia Hoko.
Miss Habelu Rugby.
Next up is Miss Laura Milaya Renee Lauti.
Miss Lomaile Lodge.
Following Miss Laura is Miss Michelle Motuliki. And number 5, who was
By
it?
the way, contestant, the 4th finalist is Miss Tonga Tourism, Michelle Motuliki.
Number 5, Miss Josefina Fatai Moimanu Leja.
Miss Tongatapu. O ek mo kain nga mo to ay may hapaspasi. To le olahiange. Ko au fanga tuku ni o fiafi ko ni pamalo lo to honga tu kihe. Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia. Ko ene fa fia ai kau fainolo. Kita reniti. Now, can we have all the girls step up? Everyone, please step up. I have never met 10 more beautiful women inside and out that have competed in this pageant in all the years I have watched this since I was 16 years old. Takoy kau fine mui ko ni og na loto to amoon. Tawang emu ha fra apa fra oske fiafi ko ni katau toy feilo akipe ihe aho falaite ai pongpongi for the grand ball. Please purchase your tickets and find out. It's still anyone's crown. Anyone has a chance at the moment. It's very, very close. We'd like to thank Your Highness, Princess Sinai Takala Tuku'aho, and Honorable Lupepau Utayone for your patience. Can we please, let's thank the sponsors once more, just a few of them, and have our final.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry, just bear with us. We'd like to acknowledge the Heilala Elite, $10,000 and above, the Government of Tonga, Fiji Airways, Real Tonga, and Paula Aviation Limited, Tonga Communications Corporation, Digicel Tonga, Tourism Tonga. The Platinum, $5,000 and above. We've got MBF Bank, Bank of the South Pacific, Home Gas and Tonga Gas, Lomaile Lodge. Gold, $3,000. Sponsorship and above, Chinese Embassy of the People's Republic of China, Buy Tonga Made, 5-Star Finances, Tonga Power Limited, Broadcom, 87.5 FM, Tonga Post and Fast Print Leola Duty Free. Silver, $10,000 and above, sponsorship, National Pacific Insurance, National Reserve Bank of Tonga, Waste Authority Limited, Tonga Airport Limited, Tali Ever Inn, Raiko Tonga Limited, Vaitohi Enterprises, Sunshine Rentals, Nuku'alofa Resort, Comfort Zone Furnitures, Little Italy, Davina House, Savoy, Dry Cleaning and Junior Hire. Oh Lord. And the sponsorship below $1,000, Friends Cafe, Coca Enterprises, Blue Banana, Port Authority of Tonga, Mara's Fashion and Hair Attraction, Ohole Beach Resort, Friendly Islanders Hotel, Olini Lodge, Downtown Backpackers, Siangana Travel, Yummy Treats, Bowles Fashion, Lady Maria, Apraxis, New Zealand Scenic Hotel, Every Season Security Services, Suliana's Polynesian Dancing Academy, Tonga National Rugby League, Rising Sun Travel, and that concludes all our sponsorship. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, John Pulu. You're a professional. Please don't miss out on the ball. Your tickets are $30. You can see Simata Palu. There will be world-class entertainment, none other than Melenau Lino, and we have also some very special guests that will be there. In the meantime, kore ki kau fine mui koni ke tau fra pa fraos ke tau fra langi pe mo eksea o e kau fra mau kai pe foki ki kau fra mau to honga tu I hengau e lahi mo ka fa ko lava he fiafi koni. Can we please bow to our honored guests, all of the young ladies on stage, and everyone can wait. Round of applause as we allow our crown princess and the honorable chair of our judges to leave the premises first.
Koe laulele ia o civic koe taleniti Island Creation pe mo Sarong. Pea I gotui le mo mbe aga to mai pe e va fitu poini ni ma ai ko tu ko tai mini ko hai ko ve fine Miss of Access New Zealand Miss 5 Stars, Miss Post Fashion, Miss Low Mile Lodge. Ia nga koe hono whamau mai koe ia, kamata pe i he interview koe ni, i he ngahe aho koe mari watu wa o mai, koe i he e kua wakai ko knauto o Breakfast New Zealand, koe Post Fashion, pe foki ki he Low Mile Lodge, moi 5 Stars. Mei, ne hui nau tolu, i he ngahi wheahui koe ni, ai a ko lava koe hono whamau i, koe lavele ia, ka toanga koia o e poni ko e whamalo ai pe ki Tonga Tourism pea mo e sponsor koe whamwhalanga tonu ko mea atu e whawhalanglangi Hongo MC Tracy a Tonga mea mo John Bulu Viva whangai atu ka whai patongia i he hofa manatu ko aholotu maru kai tau sonde loa tu fui ko lisa tana tohoi Peki a George Lavaka, kwa no manu, ka tau foki he ki tungi ko nei, malo.